Listen and read.
Shima is at home today. She didn't go to school because she's ill. She has a cough and a sore throat. She also feels very warm because she has a fever. She has the flu. The doctor visited Shima last night. She needs some medicine. He also told her what to do in order to get well. If you want to listen again, then click on the repeat button.
The doctor's advice. Eat food that gives you body energy. Try to eat even if you are not hungry. You need to be strong. Rest. Stay at home. Don't go to school or work. Drink a lot of water or juice. They are better than soft drinks. Are you coughing or sneezing? Cover your mouth and nose. Use a tissue, not your hand. Wash your hands regularly. Use your own plate, glass, and cup. Other people can catch your illness from these things.